Hey y'all, I'm Kori Ashton and it is another Monday Marketing Minute. Today I'm going to share with you a way to increase your user engagement on your website, help people follow you more on your social media, and hopefully improve your load time on your website so that Google loves you even more. I've got a great suggestion for how to improve your photo galleries. Contrary to what you might think, people really don't want to browse through a dozen, 2 dozen, 3 dozen pictures on your website, and certainly not 100. And I have seen people do that. They've put these albums on their website and think that people really want to spend time looking through them. I'm going to suggest to you a better solution would be to maybe display your most recent 8 to the most 12 pictures that you have going on inside your social media. We're using Instagram here to display, to dynamically pull over our feed and display some images to make our page look fresh and new. So every time we post to Instagram, that picture appears here. I'll show you a link that you can watch a video that fully explains how to get that Instagram plugin working on your WordPress website. Another solution could be to show a couple of your pictures from your Facebook albums, right? Get a couple of pictures on your website and then put a button there that says find more and send them over to your Facebook page, allowing them to come in here and see all sorts of pictures. You can even create designated albums inside of here if you wanted to see all the albums. Let's say you were talking about a specific story inside of a post for your blog and you wanted to send people over to a very specific album inside of your Facebook page. You can load as many pictures as you want to over here. Have it look amazing. Fill it up over here inside of Facebook. And then just take this link up at the top, copy it, take it over to your website, and put a link there for people to come over and look at your full photo album here in a different environment, not simply on your website. You absolutely want to be certain that you're doing something like this so that you're not weighting down your website, making it really, really slow to load. All right, I hope you're having a great Monday. Stick around for WordPress Wednesday. See you in a couple of days. Bye, y'all.